What's up, boys? We took a trade today. We took a 1 to 2 RR loss. Got sniped. Our stop loss got sniped. We'll just go over some things that happened before before the trade, and just some things that happened today that were a little bit unfortunate, but it's all good. Um, I would be lying if I said I didn't just record a 10-minute trade recap
The market is
video
closed.
to realize that my microphone was off. So I gotta redo it. But that's all right. So as you guys can see, that we have a data gap on Top Step because they were down yesterday. So we had the chart on TradingView. So let's just go ahead and do our analysis. Immediately, I noticed that we have bullish 4 hour that was holding us up at the time of market open, and we also had this 4 hour down here that I was expecting us to tap into before moving higher. That was kind of my condition. Like, we had to tap into that and move higher. We have these draws above that I'm expecting to get hit out pretty soon. And before we hit those out, again, we have to fill this gap and then come up, right? So, basically, today I was just waiting for this gap to get filled. I marked it out right here because obviously there's data missing, so I just copy and pasted it from TradingView. So yeah, first thing I noticed when market open, we have some great targets. We have all this low resistance liquidity. We have this equal high right here that's gonna give us some heavy draws. So equal highs are have very heavy draws. But yeah, market opens, we come down, we start sweeping liquidity. We sweep this, we sweep London low. Had an SMT at one point, but again, can't take a trade until we sweep this. Right, so come up, tap into this 5 minute unfilled, and then come down, expecting us to hit this 4 hour, but we don't on MNQ. If we go down to NQ on here, I'll just let me do something real quick. I think I actually have it marked out right there. Yep. As you can see on NQ, we did tap into it. This is the gap. We tapped into it. And I didn't notice this until my entry was already gone, my main entry. This would have been my entry here. Boom. Nice risk to reward all the way up here. Break even at this 5 minute. 1 to 2. It's pretty good trade. But I didn't notice that it did tap into that 4 hour on NQ. I don't know why there's a divergence between the two, between the micros and the minis, but yeah, I don't know, man. It's kind of weird, but I kind of just trusted the NQ chart more, so I was like, okay, I can look for a re-entry. I saw this 1 minute fair value got formed, and I set a limit order right at the top of it, right when it tapped in. It would get me in there, and then yeah, so limit order there, and set my stop loss at this order block. This is where I messed up. Admittedly, I messed up here. Should have had it at the swing low. It's kind of inexcusable. I don't know why I didn't. Usually I do like having it at the nearest order block, but got sniped there and learned my lesson, so got to put it at the swing low. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of confluence for this trade. We have this 4 hour. This 4 hour is the last thing we needed to tap into before coming higher. Like, it felt like there was no reason to go down any further besides, or once we tapped in this 4 hour. So yeah, I mean, it was a nice trade. Had the resweep, boom, fair value got formed, broke it nicely, change in state. Like, I mean, it was like textbook trade. It just kind of unfortunate. If I realized that NQ swept, I would have taken this and we would have won. Probably would have been break even at this 5 minute again. Who knows? Maybe I would have been break even here, but I highly doubt it. That's way too close. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. I guess we can show the freaking account performance. Obviously, I had this horrible day where we tilted. 20 trades is ridiculous. Or plus 77. And then today, negative 303. Not really tripping about today. I knew it was a good trade. Everything I did was right, except for the stop loss placement. But we'll get that figured out. Um, yeah, pretty. I mean, I'm not discouraged at all with today. Um, last night I was writing down some stuff in my journal. I will get a payout if I take A plus setups. Wrote that like in the entire journal, and then also have other things like disappointed over lucky wins, happy over mechanical losses, and one more. I will not overtrade. So I just wrote that a bunch of times to just get that engraved in my head. Just get those good habits engraved in my head, and I think it showed today. I think I was pretty patient. Took the A plus setup. Just unfortunately lost. That's all good. It's cool with me. Happy over mechanical losses. Disappointed over lucky wins. So this is a mechanical loss, so I should be happy that I followed my rules. So that's basically it for today. I'll see you guys Thursday. Not tomorrow because I got school, but Thursday.